DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont, it is all about the BMWs this week, and they are all going with our Big Boss level of protection. Full body 10-year paint protection film on the entire vehicle. Therefore, for 10 full years, they don't have to worry about those ugly rock chips all over the front bumper, tree sap, bird poop, swirl marks, fine line, you name it, because they're going with the absolute best full body 10-year paint protection film. So this BMW M3, again, this amazing color. Originally, he was going to get our new BMW double protection package, but he upgraded to our Big Boss level full body paint protection film. This is an old school 1M BMW, but this is a collector. So I think this vehicle only has about 20 miles on it. So he wants to keep this paint looking incredible. So he's making the investment by protecting the entire paint. And this BMW M4 CS in the house is gorgeous. Our customer just picked this up from the dealership and brought it straight to us. And then this beautiful M40i. Check that out, already in matte. So we protected that with our matte paint protection film. So at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont, we will make your vehicles look absolutely beautiful from our paint protection film, ceramic coating, window tint, or auto detailing. Feel free to contact us 510-472-4181. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have an awesome day.